Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Animal Crossing Special Edition Nintendo Switch. I have never done an unboxing before, but this is a very cool looking box and I thought it would be cool to get it on camera. So this came about because I really needed a Switch so I could play with my fiance from when I'm traveling, and they're all sold out here in Anchorage. So this was all that was left at the GameStop and I said, fuck it, I will take it. And here it is. Animal Crossing Special Edition. Looks like it's got Joy-Cons, the base, the Switch.
And the Joy-Con connectors are white.
And the Joy-Con things are white, which is not a normal situation here. That is a bonus. So there's all the sides of the box. Very cool. Now I'm gonna see if I can get this thing open. That way easier than I thought it was gonna be. Way easier. 100%. All right. Oh, look at that. She's a beauty. We got some instructions here. It's my serial number. Looks like it's kind of smaller than the Switch Lite. Tiffany, is this smaller than the Switch Lite?
No.
This is definitely smaller.
You were in your video.
Okay, so this is the Switch, I guess is what that is. And then we got two, shit. Oh, cool, they're white on the back. Very cool. Very, very trendy, very snazzy. Blue looking controller there, Joy-Con. And the mint colored Joy-Con, there they are. For the whole world to see. That's the first little piece of cardboard. Now we have health and safety guidelines. Very important. Wouldn't be able to do nothing without that. We've got the controller thing, the slidey plastic thing. That's there. I don't know if this is still in frame, but hopefully it is. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the HDMI cable. Very, very special thing. Gotta have that. And the adapter, beauty. It's same as all the other adapters. A difference here. One of the things that are different, like I said, the white Joy-Con ends. Pretty cool. They have bands that match the colors of the remotes. And then the white base. This is not a OLED Switch, but it has a white base, just like the OLED does. Except this one's got frickin' Tom Nook and the boys on it. Very cool. There's the back of it. It's got Nintendo written on it. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed me opening this box. Leave a comment and see you guys next time on the next box opening.